Oh, ye invisible enemy, hit on the headweight of the so-called superpower nation's might, insidiously invaded into the lungs to build your cocoons, intending to erect their homes in the mass, the pitiful tycoons, menacingly spreading the phantasm particle, Macabre piercing into the eyes of who invented God's particle. You judge both the crown and the beggar's bowl the same. Yonder, run behind money, made cadavers to put into shame. The axes of the selfish wheels are removed today. The same sky, same sun, same sand, every day. Same moon, same sea, same air, and the same nature. Savage man sobs because everything is sans in his culture. Nature alone is never changing, and everything belongs to eternal God. Never forget, we are to enact temporary roles in this temporal world.